check the schedule of a train using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can check the train schedule just from the IRCTC official website. So the first thing in order to do this, you need to do is open any web browser of your choice. You can open the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge or the Mozilla Firefox. Just open any web browser and simply search for IRCTC. Once you will do this, hit the enter button and you will get search results like this. Now, as you can see, this first link that is from the www.irctc.co.in is the official IRCTC website for booking and checking the status of train and your ticket. So simply click onto this irctc.co.in website link, and once you will do this, you will be landed onto this page right here. So simply click onto this OK button and then hover your cursor over to this trains option right here. This will open a new set of menu, and from this menu you can click onto this train schedule. So simply click onto this train schedule and it will give you an interface from where you need to search the train number. So simply type in the train number for which you want to get the status of, and then you will get a prompt like this. So simply select the train and then it will open the train schedule. So now, as here you can see, we entered the train number and we got the train name, the source station and the destination station as well, and it will also show you when the train runs. So as you can see, it does not runs on any of the days except the Sunday, so it only runs on Sundays. So apart from that, it will also show you all the stations from which this train passes through or halts, and it also have the arrival time and the departure time for each and every station, and also the halt time as well. And from here you can see the distance in kilometers and the day as well. As here you can see, this particular train takes 2 days in order to reach its destination from the source. So that's how easily you can get all the schedule of a train using the IRCTC official website. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.